In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to double underline in Google Docs. Whether you're preparing a document for business, school, or personal use, adding a double underline is a simple way to emphasize your text. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you get it just right. First, you'll want to open your Google Docs document where you'd like to add the double underline. To begin, navigate to the top of your document and locate the Insert option in the menu bar. Clicking on Insert will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this list, hover over Drawing, which will then present you with a sub-menu. Here, you'll want to select New to open a drawing canvas within Google Docs. Once the drawing window is open, we can start creating our double underline. On the canvas, click on the Line tool. This tool allows you to draw your underline by clicking and dragging your cursor. Once you have your line drawn, we'll need a second line to create that double effect. With the first line already selected, simply copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Immediately afterward, paste it by pressing Ctrl+V. This will create an exact duplicate of your line, which you can then drag or adjust so it sits just beneath the first one in a parallel fashion. Feel free to experiment with the placement until you see a configuration that suits your needs. If you're satisfied with how the double underlines look, the next step is to save your work. Look for the Save and Close button in the upper right corner of the drawing window. Clicking this will exit the drawing canvas and place your double underline into the document. To perfectly position your underline in relation to your text, you might want to adjust the text wrapping. Click on the double underline once more and you'll see an option called Text Wrapping. By choosing Behind Text, you'll gain more flexibility to place your underlining exactly where you want it without disrupting the flow of your text. To move the underline to the perfect spot, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard, nudging it just slightly until it aligns perfectly with your text. And there you have it. This is how you can easily create a double underline in Google Docs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like the video, comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have, and subscribe to stay updated with more handy tips and guides. Thank you for watching and have a great day creating your documents.